Well, it is January 5th, and we have found out that you can sit up. I'm here with Nana at the daycare. He's going so good. Yeah. Zach, not look. Not only can you sit up, but you can play with stuff, huh?
He's playing really good.
Mm-hmm.
He's playing really good. Good boy. Good boy. He really likes this little team.
Mm-hmm. He's got 2 pairs of socks on.
Oh,
that's why that one looks a little loose.
That's good. He does get the little dark rings inside.
Yeah, Rob thinks he just has the rings like he does. So.
Yeah.
Say, I'm too cute. Say, I'm too cute.
He's had a good time.
Mhm.
This was a long time.
Yeah, just doing good. Good boy, little Will. You gonna say goodbye to the camera? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Okay, that's good.